Alright, I think it's time to get some paint on. So just give you an overlook of the engine bay. That turned out okay. There was a few runs here. I've sanded them down with some 320 grit. They came out okay. So what I've done all the prep work to get started on the inside, and what we would be doing first is do the engine bay, do the rim around the edge of the roof. I'm not concerned about getting paint coverage all the way up to here. We're just going to do the parts that we see. Door pockets, they're being sanded back. They're right to go. Parcel shelf can be done. The seat will be left. I've got to do the boot first, then do the seat. So that's all prepped up. Boot is prepped, ready to go. So I've added in a bit of etch primer in a few different spots there that needed it. So that's right to go. So we'll do the bonnet engine bay first, then the boot. Bonnet, I'm leaving for today. There's a few bits on that need to be fine filled. So if there is paint left over, I'll be doing the underneath just to use up the paint. But I'm not planning on painting the floor section today. But maybe if there is leftover paint, I'll use it up underneath the back seat rather than touch the bonnet today. Okay, let's get started. So just have a look at the paintwork here. Doesn't seem to be too bad. There's a few spots where I've missed, so I'm gonna have to go over those. Yeah, we can't see anything there. I'll open up the rolling door. 2-pack paint is pretty good. Like it's nice and glossy. So that needs to just harden before we do anything with it now. Didn't think I'd be able to do that, but I've managed to fit all 3 cars in the garage. So put the Mini up on these little stands so you can wheel it and get it into any position you want. Alright, so that's it for now. We'll leave that. Once it's hard enough, we'll push it out into the sun, then you can sort of have a good look at how that paint turned out. But still got the interior floor to do, and then when I do that, I'll touch up the little bits that I've seemed to have missed. But that'll be it for now.